DTP stands for Desktop Publishing. It's a generic extension used by many old publishing apps. The most common is Green Street Publisher. You need a legacy viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify the creator. Quick setup recommendation. Download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your DTP file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A DTP file is a document created using desktop publishing software. It contains formatted text, images, and layout information used to create professional-looking documents, such as brochures, newsletters, and magazines. DTP files are designed for high-quality printing and precise control over page design. DTP files store information about text formatting, fonts, sizes, styles, image placement, color palettes, and page layout grids. They often support advanced features like master pages, style sheets, and preflighting to ensure accurate and consistent output. The file format is optimized for print production workflows. The most widely recognized opener for DTP is unequivocally Quark Express from Quark Software Inc. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows cannot interpret formatting rules or page templates, so specialized tools must be used. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the DTP file and click Open With. Test Quark Express first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the DTP file won't budge, stay calm. We're dealing with a highly specific DTP file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, identify the creator. Determine the associated DTP program, e.g. Serif Page Plus, Ventura Publisher, that created the file. Next, use the original application. Launch the original DTP application and use its file. Open function. Finally, convert to PDF. Use the software's export function to save the document as a universal format like .pdf. If your apps can't interpret the DTP file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn DTP formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your DTP file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Keep refining your technical skills. If you found this solution valuable, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel.